How to find tax file number in MyGov. Now, first things first is you need to have an ATO account. Now, once you already have an ATO account, that's the time that you will link your ATO online services to your MyGov account. Now, please be reminded that you can only create one MyGov account per person because it will not allow you to generate multiple tax file numbers. That's actually against the law. Now, if you already sign up to MyGov account, you can just go ahead and go to your profile and beside your name, your TFN number will show right there. You'll just have to take note of that. You can do everything online. Uh, you can create it as an individual, business, an agent, a non-resident, an access manager, or a foreign investor. And once everything is down, you can also surf and hover down supports on Australian government account. So to view your tax and super details in ATO online services, you can view your current historical tax details in ADO online services by just simply signing into your MyGov account. Go to your link ATO online services, select employment menu, and then employment details. All of these is going to be shown right there once you successfully logged in. So that's basically how you will find your tax file number on MyGov.